Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use a voucher on Frontier Airlines. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Frontier application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Frontier if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom of the screen, we have the home, where you can go and book your flights, book flight where you can also do that. We have the your trips, where you can go and check out the your trips, flight status, and in the bottom right corner, more options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use a voucher on Frontier Airlines. So visit the, of course, website or the application where we are at the moment and go to the book a flight section and select your desired flight. So go to the second option here, which is book a flight. Of course, put in all the information and search for your desired flight. When you reach the payment screen, select the Frontier voucher. Enter the 17-digit voucher number from your email and then follow the prompt to complete your booking. Just make sure that to use your voucher before it expires, as most vouchers are valid for 90 days from the date of issue. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.